we are going to draw 3D art. We will make 4 cube shapes with equal size and then draw some lines and depth of cubes, which looks like cubes are looking wheels, small wheels, and then shades the cubes with the help of light effect. And first, we have to draw the cubes. After it whole, we will use our pen to draw the lines accurately. This 3D drawing was famous in YouTube and other platforms, so I tried to make such 3D arts. First, we use pencil to draw the cubes and then use a pen to draw the lines of cubes, which I used often because the lines will not be erased and lines look brilliant and beautiful. And I used a small meter rod to measure the distance and size and can design the 3D drawing in an easy way. You can use it. Now, this is the time to complete the simple lines. After I used a black pen, each cube have a different shapes but not size. This is a secret to design 3D drawings. The placement of cubes looks like they are different flashes, and one of the cube is nearer to us and the other 3 are far away from us. This makes a kind of illusion in art. After completing the cubes, designing and mathing, I used a meter rod to draw the lines, which actually present in notebook pages. The purpose of making a page like a structure and embedding cubic shapes in the page, which make the 3D art more awesome. Let's draw the lines with equal and perfect distances. It will take few minutes to be completed. If I draw the lines, then I start shading with a good pencil. Let's it to be completed. Now it is the time to shades with a pencil. In depth of cubes, shade it darker than as compared to the surface, where light effect is more. Without wasting of time, let's begin it and complete it. I have done one mistake and could not hold pencil properly, and you have to refrain from such mistakes while shading. You can try 3D drawing without using a professional settings. You can use a pencil and a black pen to draw 3D arts. If you like our video, please subscribe and like, where we bring more videos on 3D drawing. I have completed it, my 3D drawing, which looks like real in this stage. This is our 3D drawing. This is almost completed. Now we want to finish our video in this stage, and this is the last look of our 3D drawing. Thank you for watching. Thank you being with us, and don't forget to subscribe.